Hi, and welcome back to Fixin' It. I got my wife's 2010 Honda Pilot, and as you can see, over the years the armrest gets messed up. This is a driver's side, so I picked up new covers for it. These came off of Amazon for like 20 bucks, pretty cheap. So the first thing we got to do is remove this door panel. And the way you do this is there's one screw right there. There's another screw under this little door there. This pops off. And let's get some of these screws off. Okay, so let's take the screw off. Screws under here. It's like a little thing you kind of push down, pull it back. That's it. And you got two screws in there. That's it. Okay, the next thing we got to do is remove this thing. Just use one of these little plastic tools and try to get it right in between here. Pop this up. Once you pop that up, the whole thing will pop up. Okay. Then you got to get these wires, these plugs off. Alright, so the way you do this, just push in on this tab, okay, and pull at the same time. It's a little hard to do with only one hand when I'm holding the camera here. Alright, that one's off. This one is just a little more tricky. You have another tab here that you push down on, and then you lift on this part at the same time, like that. Pull the wires down and the whole thing releases. Okay. Alright. Much easier to do with two hands, but trying to hold the camera. Anyway, got all this off. Next thing you want to do is just pop the panel off. Okay, so now you got all the panels, everything off, all the screws. Just gonna grab it from the bottom and pull. The top just gets hung up on this ledge, so just lift it up. Okay. I don't know if you can see it, but this part, you just kind of grab it and it pops right off. And then you have a couple of things. You just push on, same thing, you push on these things, they pop off. Alright, this is off. And with the panel off, in order to take this piece off, you need to get to the screws behind it. You got two screws you got to take off. So, this one. Alright. Once you get those off, it's kind of. This one doesn't have a. Okay. Just pop off on this side, on the back. That's it. Okay, guys. So we have a armrest. What we want to do is peel off all this stuff. It's just like glued on. So take it off. That's it. You're left with this little foamy padding. So here we got, you got the armrest, you got your material. So you want this seam to go along this seam, okay? So when you put this on, that's the way you're gonna line it up against that seam, like that. All the way around, so it fits like stock. Now we're gonna spray with some of this. You could get any kind of adhesive, 3M, whatever, but I just got this because it's cheaper. You shake this stuff well, and you apply it to. You want to apply it to both sides. Okay. You also want to apply it here. Okay. That's it. Let that dry for like a minute. And then you're going to put it together, okay? Okay, we're ready to put this together. So. Like I said, make sure that seam goes along this other seam. Okay. Sure it's tight. Gonna spray some more adhesive here. Some more. Okay. I screwed up a little bit where I didn't leave a lot of room in this side. This is more on this side than this side. But it looks pretty good, just the way it is. Okay, we got everything put back together, and this is the finished product. It's came out okay. I mean, it's not my best work. I could have done a better job with this, but it's not ripped, and it looks better than before. The color doesn't match all that great. It could have been a better match. But what you expect for 10 bucks? You know, I still got the other piece here for the other side when that side rips apart. So I hope this helps you out. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care. Bye.